front entry doors must be tough enough to withstand wind, rain, scorching sun, and would-be intruders, yet handsome enough to make a good first impression and boost curb appeal. Plastpro's fiberglass doors bring an innovative alternative to the entry door market. Our exclusive Hydro Shield technology features fiberglass reinforced door skins, full-length composite stiles, and composite top and bottom rails that together form a composite edge perimeter that seals out moisture on all 6 sides. The fiberglass reinforced door skin is unmarred by the wear and tear of everyday use and is unaffected by moisture and humidity. Our high-impact compression molded skins will not rot, splinter, or warp like wood and won't dent or delaminate like steel. Through years of experience in advanced manufacturing methods, Plastpro is proud to offer this same skin in a variety of rich grain textures that flawlessly mimic the beauty and elegance of wood. All Plastpro doors feature full-length composite stiles that provide complete waterproofing for the door's insulation and have twice the screw-holding power of traditional wood-edged doors. The full-length composite top and bottom rails provide our doors with additional non-porous protection that keeps water from seeping into the door and helps prevent the buildup of mold or mildew. In addition, the bottom rails are built to accommodate a range of door sweeps. All Plastpro doors come reinforced with an LVL material, which is pieces of wood put together approximately 12 pieces per inch that help strengthen the style of the door. Our extended lock blocks run full length from top to bottom in order to allow a wide range of door locks and hardware to be installed into our doors. Most companies use lock blocks that are only 12 inches in length, just enough to cover the door hardware. That means the rest of the part is foam. Therefore, when you try to install a 3-point locking system, you will not be able to do so because it will be installed right into foam. We not only install the LVL on the strike side, but also on the hinge side of the door as well, to make sure your screws have something to bite into. While some other fiberglass door manufacturers still use HCFC-free foam, we are proud to offer a door that is 100% CFC-free, in compliance with the United States environmental standards to prevent destruction to the Earth's ozone layer. Our advanced polyurethane core enhances the door's soundproofing capabilities and provides insulation 6 times greater than wood doors. We know what makes a door unique. That is why our triple-pane decorative glass comes in a wide array of designs to match any style. Each piece of decorative glass is sealed between 2 pieces of tempered safety glass, providing excellent safety, sound, and thermal performance. Unlike the competition, our metal caming includes a gasket that cushions and protects the glass from chipping, cracking, and rattling during door movement. Our exclusive BTHP snap-on frames employ a series of specially designed clips that lock decorative glass firmly in place. This snap-together frame system means there are no unsightly screws or screw plugs, so you never have to worry about losing the screw plugs or installing them correctly. Our snap-on frames create a completely unblemished surface around the decorative glass. As an innovative new alternative to traditional wooden frames, our polyfiber frames are a composite material which is made up of wood flour, PVC, and resins. This unique formulation means that our frames will not absorb or wick moisture and will never warp, splinter, or rot. With twice the screw-holding capacity of wood, this unique frame system can be easily machined with no added hassle. As you can see, not all fiberglass doors are equal. Plastpro provides longer-lasting, better-performing doors. Contribute to your home's sustainability by selecting Plastpro. More than just exterior fiberglass doors, Plastpro provides a complete entry system that safeguards against the elements, saves energy, and provides added thermal protection. From heat and rain to snow and hail, nothing gets under this skin. Plastpro.